Hello traders, today is the 9th of October 2023. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on dollar yen. Pretty straightforward this morning. As explained to my trader, we have this reaction. As you can see here, the market nicely respected here, and this is the area where we explain my trader look for possibility of market respect, then short trade here. So we have this beautiful breakout short trade in London morning session, and at the market open, we also had this beautiful short trade at the New York session today, and we were expecting this target. So I'm expecting at least, let's see if at this level. So here we're expecting some reversal, but we're gonna look at. But beautiful short trade, we had it amazing. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in intraday. Pretty straightforward, as you can see here this morning, as explained to my trader. This is what explained. Market develop high low, so more likely first priority would be the pullback, especially when the market developed double top here. Beautiful short trade. As soon as the market here, we also did this another analysis instantly, traded not to miss this opportunity. As you can see here, the market nicely broken. Beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even if you think market is going to break this level. So guys, so you want to see all that analysis real time, you want to bank profit in real time, so most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.